Hi, in this video, we are going to look at how to turn on the coordinate display in AutoCAD or Civil 3D. So when I hover my mouse cursor here and there, if I can see what are the coordinates I am going with my mouse cursor, that would be easier sometimes. So if you want to see the coordinates, this is how to do it. You have to go to the bottom of your screen, this customization button, click there. So at the top you have these coordinates, you click it. Then we have an icon or display area where it shows our coordinates where our mouse cursor is. So if I click somewhere, you can see the coordinates now change. So when I move my mouse cursor, you can see my coordinates changes. So that is how to turn on the coordinate display in Civil 3D, and this can be done in AutoCAD as well.